What's up guys, my name is Chelsea and you're watching my channel Chelsea Explores. In this video we're going to be exploring all the best things to do in Maui. So let's go! It's our first day in Hawaii. Today we're gonna explore HANA and everything past HANA and all that there is to do. But first, breakfast. Alright guys, today we are exploring the road to HANA, day number 2. We're going to take you along again and show you all the stops we make, all of our recommendations for what you should do. Come with us as we explore road to HANA in reverse, day 2. The road to HANA is tons of windy roads with plenty of stops to make along the way, so make sure to take your time and enjoy it as you go. I have an entire YouTube video on doing the road to HANA in reverse, so make sure to click the link in the upper right hand corner to watch that video. Welcome to Lahaina! We are staying at a cute little spot called the Royal Kahana. It's another little studio style place. We have our kitchen, the bed behind me that you can see. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Over here, when you walk right in, you have your kitchen table, a couch with a coffee table, a nice little spot to relax. Oh, and we have some rare creatures in this place. Next to the kitchen, super comfy bed, nice dresser, and then you walk out and you have a little patio that overlooks pool and the ocean. Our first sunset of the trip. We've been seeing sunrises over the ocean, and now we're here watching our sunset.
Got a beautiful mixed salad with mahi-mahi, some beets on it, got some feta cheese, delicious.
Whalers Village has tons of shopping, great place to do some fine shopping or some lower end stores as well. They have everything from like Billabong to Ray-Ban to Louis Vuitton. It's a great place to walk around. They have a food court down below, a discovery center up top, and a great area for kids to play, and it's right next to the beach.
I got some Tommy Bahama shorts. You guys want to see? Okay,
yeah.
I'll show you. Look at that green. I don't have any green shorts, that's for sure.
Got this super comfy Hawaii surfy shirt from Billabong, one of my favorite stores. Let's go to the next activity. We're all fueled up and have done all our shopping, so now we're headed towards the Sheraton to visit one of the coolest beaches in Maui, Black Rock Beach, where there is some cliff jumping. It's a stunning walk in general and it's definitely stroller friendly, so just head to the very end of the beach and you will find that jumping rock. Spending the day at the beach with a baby is not the easiest, so we didn't spend that much time there other than cliff jumping. So we decided to continue walking down the beautiful pathway towards the Hyatt Regency. There are tons of nice hotels along the way that you can stop and get food at, or maybe even hop in their pools. This walk is just stunning though, so you're definitely going to want to add this to your list, and it's also stroller friendly. And here's a little hint and surprise for you. The Hyatt Regency has penguins in their lobby that you can feed. We just found a hidden gem little spot that was recommended by my mom. So this is like a little farmer's market spot to grab lunch. There's a park right across the street that is on the beach with beautiful crystal clear waters. We're eating our salads, so if you're looking for a healthy spot to eat, it's like a grocery store / salad sandwich spot. I think it's going to be delicious. They have tons of vegan options, and we're enjoying a windy but beautiful day at the park. Now we're going to work those off by taking a little walk at Kapalua Coastal Trail. For parking, there is some small parking lots right in front of the beach coastal walk area. However, just across the street you can pay $10 for 3 hours at the golf course, or $15 for all day. You just scan the QR code. Super easy to pay, so if you're looking for easy parking, that's your spot. We've heard this is a good trail for walking with a baby and a stroller. It's about 2.5 miles long. Take you along with us, show you the views. Dan says he's gonna hop in the ocean water. We have reached a point that is no longer stroller friendly. It's a dirt pathway with rocks in it. You could totally do this with an Ergo baby carrier or like one of those all-terrain type strollers, but it looks like a beautiful walk. It's a native seabird nesting area. It starts at Kapalua Beach and ends at DT Fleming Beach, so definitely make a day out of this with your baby or loved one. Take a walk, stop at the beaches along the way. Now we're gonna move on to the next activity, which is Dan jumping in the water, and then we're gonna go see a fun blowhole. How was the water?
Oh, so good and so refreshing, so warm. No rocks or weird seaweed on the bottom.
We are hanging out at, not quite sure how to say it, Kapalua Beach Bay little area. It's in front of the Montage Hotel. There's a nice grassy area that offers a lot of shade for you to sit in. That's above the beach. The beach looks gorgeous. The water is super turquoise. You can see the island across the way. There's tons of people out there snorkeling. It seems like a good beach for maybe kids and families, as it seems a little more protected, like a cove, and there's also lifeguards here. Looks like there's a little spot where you can rent gear, snorkel gear, maybe big boogie boards, beach stuff. This is a great little spot to just relax, hang out, eat a snack, pack out your chairs, have a little picnic lunch before moving on to your next activity. We are finally on our way to the Nakalele blowhole. We heard that this blowhole can be seen from the road, so we also heard that it is a very windy drive. I guess some say it's worse than the road to Hana. I don't know. We'll find out and we'll let you know. Okay, back in the car. First of all, you cannot see the blowhole from the car, from the side of the road, like we were told. You have to get out of your car. It is a little bit of a hike down. It's a little rocky, a little sandy. You can go to an overlooking spot or you can hike all the way down, but please be careful when you hike down and do not get close to the blowhole or try to touch it or jump in it. It is not safe. Second thing is, the road to Hana is definitely worse with turns. There's plenty of room on this road, 2 lanes, or not 2 lanes, but like, you know, side by side, whereas the road to Hana really felt like a 1-car road. The drive is gorgeous. There's literally nothing out here other than greenery and beautiful cliffs, and it looks like tons of surfing spots below with great waves. We're finishing off our night with a fancy drink at the Ritz-Carlton. What we didn't realize is we're actually finishing off the Kapalua trail that we weren't able to finish. So we basically did the beginning of it and the end of it, because both parts, the beginning and end, are paved, and now we're gonna have a beautiful view with a delicious drink at the Ritz-Carlton and feel fancy. adventurous morning here in Maui. We got up nice and early and decided to do a classic snorkel boat tour to the island of Lanai. What we did was we signed up for a tour with Quicksilver Boat Company, and they took us out from the harbor of Lahaina. At 6 a.m. was our check-in time, and took a boat over to the island of Lanai. During the boat ride, we crossed the dolphin channel, so we got to see tons of pods of dolphins. They swam alongside the boat with us. Absolutely gorgeous. My favorite animal is a dolphin, so it was a truly magical experience. And then once we arrived at the island of Lanai, we got to go snorkeling. They had tons of things to offer for us, like noodles that you could lie on, life jackets. All the snorkel gear and fins were provided, as well as a photographer who was there in the water taking underwater photos of you, as well as pictures on the boat. Snorkeling was amazing. The water here in Maui is so clear and turquoise, so we got to see some cool fish, different yellow ones and striped ones, and if you're lucky enough, you might even get to see a sea turtle. This tour was such a great price. It was about like $139 per adult, and it included everything. It had a continental breakfast, which was fruits and pastries, coffee, juices, and then it also included a continental lunch, which was chips, cookies, a pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw, or like a croissant deli style sandwich. The boat had a fun little slide you could go down, as well as some different spots to jump off from the top of the boat, and drinks included on the way back. The tour is a total of 5.5 hours. The boat ride there was extremely smooth in the morning. However, you do come back midday and get back around noon, so be prepared for some choppier weather in the afternoon with bigger waves, therefore some potential cause for seasickness. So after you finish your boat tour, you're still going to have an entire afternoon because it ends at 12. So it brings you back to the Lahaina harbor, which after this you're going to want to just explore the downtown Lahaina area. Now this is a little different than Whalers Village, which is your high-end shopping, fancy style shopping, more like a mall. Lahaina is an old town area, really cute streets with old buildings filled with more touristy style shops, as well as tons of restaurants. If you're looking for one of the best burgers in town, then I recommend that you head to Cool Cat Cafe, which is right in the heart of the downtown area of Lahaina, in their Fisherman's Wharf type area. It kind of reminds me of the San Francisco Wharf. It's a cute little diner up on the 3rd floor. I recommend just walking around, grabbing your touristy gifts at this time. We like to get ornaments at every spot we go to together as a family, and this is one that we get with Landon. It says Maui on it. This is also where you're gonna see the infamous banyan tree. Guys, this tree is crazy, literally crazy. It looks like there are 15 different trees, but they are all connected to one. So I'm gonna show you because this is insane. This is like the main tree, this one. And then check it out. It literally connects all, like those huge trunks is connected by this branch. Connected to this one, which you would think is its own tree, which is then connected to those via the branch. And it's like this all over. At the very end of Lahaina is also some high-end shopping, but my favorite part was playing ping pong. We're on our last day here in Maui. Boo, so sad. Today we kind of had a relaxed morning. That's how all of our mornings have been. But if you are following my recommendations for this trip to Maui, then relax in the morning, hang out at your hotel or pool, and then start your day mid-afternoon. And for that, we are headed to the Maui Winery. We're here on a Sunday afternoon, about 2 o'clock. It's about an hour-long wait. It looks like a cute little spot. As you can probably see behind me as well, the grounds here are beautiful. You can walk around them. They have restrooms here, tons of grass area. There's also a restaurant right across the street, so if you would like to grab some food in the meantime while you're waiting for sitting down to have some wine, that would be a great option. Or if you are a planner, you can make a reservation in advance for this winery. It'll get you right in. If you have time after visiting Maui Winery, I highly recommend that you head over to Haleakala Volcano and head up there for sunset time and do a little bit of hiking. The views from up here are insanely gorgeous, but it does get extremely cold, so pack more layers than you think you would need. Finish off your last night by grabbing some food from the food truck stands at 𝐄𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥 in Maui. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. We will see you again next week for another fun exploration. Bye!